Hey folks, it's me again. I just wanted to post this video today online and to tell you guys about this dishwasher problem that I had. Well, it goes like this. I came home one day and I found that my dishwasher had decided to go absolutely nuts. There was water all over the kitchen and it had even gone, around and into the dining room as well. And I can tell you that this was a freaking disaster. I had to get out the old shop vac from the garage and I tried to clean it up as best I could, and I did okay. I got everything cleaned up pretty well, but the damage to our beautiful wood floors was fairly significant, I think, to the point where we're now thinking about replacing part of it. Anyway, so the dishwasher had to be addressed, and I it was still broken, of course, and that's it wasn't able to drain properly, and that's what caused the problem in the first place. So I went online and I discovered a really neat website that showed me exactly how to fix the problem. Uh, you know, Great. It's just wonderful. So anyway, that website is does dish. In fact, I've got it right here. Dishwasherwon'tdrain.org. www.dishwasherwon'tdrain.org. And I was able to learn exactly what the problem was, how to get to the broken part, and how to fix it myself. So I was very successful with that. It works perfectly now. So do yourself a favor and check out that website. You don't know when you're going to need that information. Dishwasherwon'tdrain.org, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.